Sun damage and skin cancer is no joke, and this makes us worried that some people will try to emulate these types of sunscreen failure tests just to get the views. Guys, I saw this video trending on the Asia side of social media and have a lot of thoughts I just have to share. First of all, let's talk about the test itself. You don't have to fully understand Japanese to get the gist here. The guy applies sunscreen onto different sections of skin, lays on the sun, and after some time you can see some sections really burn while others did a lot better. This really took off and is over Asia, even with news outlets citing this study. But here is what you should know about this. First of all, this was basically designed to fail. He applied just 1 milligram per centimeter square of the product, which is just half of the designated amount in SPF test standards. He then laid out in the sun for 3-4 hours in the middle of the day, a whole hour longer than the typical recommended time for sunscreen reapplication. This actually makes me kind of suspect that he must have tested this with different, more standard protocols and didn't get that shocking visual result that he's looking for. So what's the takeaway here? First things first, please don't do this at home, guys. We do our 30 for 30 series to hopefully help you guys find y'all's next sunscreen love, but we would never actually put our skin at risk on purpose like this. Sun damage and skin cancer is no joke, and this makes us worried that some people will try to emulate these types of sunscreen failure tests just to get the views. Please don't do it. Secondly, though this test was really torturous, it does showcase and help you visualize why under applying sunscreen is a big problem, and then reapplying every 2 hours is still very much sound recommendation. More is more, guys, when it comes to sunscreen. Thirdly, if you're about to go out and enjoy some beachy fun Sunday, physical sun protections like hat, shade, UPF clothing are still very much important parts to the sun protection equation. Lastly, from this torture test, the top 2 performers are the La Roche-Posay Tone Up Rosy and the Bureau Aqua Reach, the Japanese version. We actually tested both of these in this year's 30 for 30. Spoiler alert, they are pretty great sunscreens, so stay tuned for our full reviews in our sunscreen test series.